bed, space, is meron tayo sarili ko.
Hindi ko maitapos.
Hi guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Woodsville Crest showroom, no? So papakita natin dito ang studio type and 1 bedroom with balcony sa ating showroom, no? So, tara! So what's up guys, no? Dito naman tayo sa 1 bedroom with balcony, 41 square meter ni Woodsville Crest, no? So masok tayo guys. So here, our 1 bedroom with balcony. So this is our 1 bedroom with balcony, 41 square meter here in Woodsville Crest, no? First of all, dito kung makikita natin is naka-smart lock na rin tayo dito. It's either pwede tayo maglagay ng password, ayan, and then pwede tayo mag-fingerprint, no? So dito is smart home equipped na talaga tayo dito sa 1 bedroom with balcony. So in my left naman, no, kung makikita natin dito is our smart home device, no? So dito pwede natin i-navigate yung ating electric and then yung mga lights natin, no? And then this one, meron tayo space for our washing machine. Okay? Ito naman ang ating kitchen area. So, remove all the removable objects lang. Ito na yung deliverables nyo kapag na-turn over sa inyo yung unit, no? So, meron tayo mga cabinets natin, over and underhead cabinets, kitchen sink, yung mga cabinets natin. Ayan, so kompleto na tayo, no? This one is our granite tile style, no? Kasama sa deliverables natin yan. And we do have 2 burner cooktop and range hood, no, for their 1 bedroom with balcony. This one is our very spacious living and dining area, no. Dito at my back is our living area. So makikita nyo, this one is our entertainment wall, no, kung pwede tayo maglagay ng mga cabinets dyan. And then meron din tayo dito mga paglagyan ng tables and then our sofa. Here is our dining area, no. Kung makikita nyo, is very spacious talaga, and meron tayong space for our table set for our dining area. Okay, at my back is our balcony, no, here in 1 bedroom with balcony. So wala lang talaga siyang ano dito, pero dito sa 1 bedroom with balcony, meron tayong spacious balcony enough for enjoy your view. So guys, para tayo dito, no, sa ating very spacious bed area natin, no. So makikita nyo is very spacious here in our bed, no. So meron tayong work from home provision dito, and then kung makikita nyo is meron kasyang-kasya yung queen size bed natin dito. Dito naman ang one of our features dito sa ating bedroom is our closet. Ayan. So, come on guys, dito naman tayo sa toilet and bathroom natin, no? So makikita nyo, this one is very spacious toilet and bathroom, no? Kung makikita nyo, this one is glass enclosure. Meron na rin tayo shower set, meron tayo shower and telephone shower. And then one of the features din here in our toilet and bathroom, meron tayong bidet, no? So, ganda. Yeah. So, yeah. So again, guys, this is Paulo San Miguel, Assistant Sales Manager from Team Ferro. I am 7. So, for more information, just call me, my number, and email me.